Hey my cookies, would you like to make the best roasted tomato soup you ever had? Let's cook. Starting with the tomatoes, I'm using vine ripened. Roma works amazing as well. I'm also going to add these cherry tomatoes for sweetness. Add them to a baking dish or a parchment lined baking sheet. Add the garlic and drizzle it all with some good quality olive oil. And the spices, I'm using oregano, onion powder, salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. And if you have this tomato basil seasoning, just use that. It has everything we need in that already. Y'all, almost forgot the sweet onion. Add that in with the tomatoes and then sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top. You know, those acids need that sugar. Roast on 400 for 40 to 45 minutes. Then we're gonna squeeze that good flavorful garlic out, add everything into a stock pot, and then we can add our roasted peppers. I like to use this brand. You can absolutely roast your own peppers. Just add it in there along with some fresh basil, butter for richness, and some chicken or vegetable stock. Blend it together well. Be careful not to over blend, and then we can allow it to simmer on low for about 10 minutes. Taste and adjust those seasonings as desired, and then you can serve it up. I made a smoked gouda grilled cheese, chopped it up in some mini little crouton-esque sizes, added a little heavy cream, and it was good to go. You know what a recipe is. CoopCanCook.com. Thanks for watching. Until next time, be blessed.